Well, we're on the way to the Dollar Tree. Let's see about some hacks.
Alright, so thanks to copyright claims, I couldn't put the audio that I was going to put with this, so we're going to voice it over. Here was the drive to Dollar Tree. So you'll need bamboo skewers. You can get these there. You'll also then need some instant coffee. This kind works great. It's in a glass jar too. And you'll also need some imitation vanilla. Alright, so now that we're back at home, we have some instant coffee we've taken and poured about a cap full of it. We're going to put that in a little dish. Okay? Now, you're going to need some charcoal. You can get this from a fire pit. You can burn sticks to get this. You can even buy this at the store. And we're just going to put a couple small chunks in here with the instant coffee. Okay? And I've taken and got a stick here. I'm just going to mash this up as best I can. But then what we want to do is take the vanilla we picked up and we want to pour some of it in here, because this is going to mix with the coffee and turn it like sticky almost. That's the hardest container of vanilla to open. And be kind of liberal with it. Alright, once you've done that and it's all mashed up, what you want to do is take your mixture, spoon some of it out onto your plastic material you have, and spread it out however thick you think it might need. I generally do like that. What you want to do is fold your plastic over this. You see your skewer in there, and just kind of press the skewer down in and kind of roll this stuff over the skewer so that it holds on pretty tight. And then what you have in the end, make sure it covers the whole skewer too. What you then have in the end is something like this. What you want to do is let this sit to dry for about a day or two. Alright, so after these have dried, I let mine dry for a couple days. What you do is take a lighter and light the end of it, just like a traditional incense. Might take a little bit longer. And what you should be left with is a nice vanilla coffee incense.